Hello, friends. We have been doing a lot of work on greater than, less than, and equal to in math. So, this is our paper that we need today. And I see those signs in this work. I also see numbers on the bottom. So we'll need a pencil, scissors, and a glue stick. Okay, I'm gonna use a marker, but you're gonna use a pencil. Let me change my camera angle so you can see my work. There we go. Okay, let's start by writing our name on the top of our paper. So what I'm noticing is something different. Normally, we are filling in the sign, and they have two numbers that they want us to compare. But this time, I see one number, I see a sign, and an empty space. So we have to figure out what number goes here. They're still comparing two numbers. Let's see what it says. 4 is greater than, so we have to fill in a number that's less than 4. Okay, let's start by cutting our numbers on the bottom, and then we can start seeing the number that fits into our empty box. Um, okay, friends, this paper is a little tricky. See how the dots end and there's still more paper left? We have to cut off that paper. So we're going to do our best to cut off where the dots there stop. Normally there's a line for us to cut on. This one didn't have that. Okay. Okay, I'm done with my scissors. So I'm going to put those back into my supply box. Okay, let's lay out our numbers and see what we have. We have 8 numbers. Okay, so the paper that we're working on, there's going to be a lot of things that we could put in here. So it says 4 is greater than, we could put in a lot of things. We could put in any number that's less than 4. So we could put in 4 is greater than 0, 4 is greater than 1, 4 is greater than 2, 4 is greater than 3. We could have put any of those numbers in there, and that would be true. So let's see. Let's pick 3. Put glue on your box, your empty box here, and then we'll glue down our number 3. 4 is greater than 3. Okay, now I'm going to try to use a strategy to solve this one. It says 5 is greater than, and there's an empty space here. Here, I'm going to draw dots to show 5. Okay, I have my 5 dots. Let's see. I'm going to pick a number. 2. I'm going to draw 2 dots in that empty box. And I can just look at the dots and tell that 5 is greater than 2. It has more dots. So 5 is greater than 2 works. I'm going to glue 2 into that empty box. Okay, I see that opening towards 4, so it says 4 is greater than, seems like all of these are greater than. Okay, so we need to find a number over here that's less than 4, because 4 will be the greater number. 1. I can use my fingers to do this one. I can put 4 on this hand and 1 on this hand. 4 is definitely greater than 1. Let me glue that down in the box. Five. Does this say greater than or less than? Let's see which way there is that mouth open to eat the larger number. Greater than. 5 is greater than. Let's see what we have left to choose from. There's only one number that's going to work for this. There's only one number that's less than 5. Do you see it? 0. 5 is definitely greater than 0. Okay, I'm seeing a pattern. I'm seeing that all of these the sign showed greater than. When I look on this side, all the signs are flipped around. And the mouth is open to this number. And so it's saying 5 is less than when we read it. Okay, 5 is less than, let's try 6 and see if this works. Let's make dots again. We'll check it before we glue it down. So let me make 5 dots. 5 is less than, and in the box I'm going to make 6 dots. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I can look and tell which one has more dots. 6 has more. So this can go down, can be glued down in the box. 5 is less than 6. 4 is less than, 4 is less than 7. What do you think? How could we find out if 7 can go here? Let's try dots again. Okay, there's way more dots with 7 than 3. So 7 can definitely be glued here. 4 is less than 7. Okay, let's look at the next one. 5 is less than. Okay, so remember in this box, we need a number that is less than 5, greater than 5. Because this number sentence tells us 5 is less than whatever number we're picking here. So this has to be a number that's greater than or more than 5. We can pick either one. I'm going to pick 8. You might pick 9. Either one works because 8 and 9 are both greater than 5. So it makes this number sentence make sense. 5 is less than 8. Definitely. This sentence says 4 is less than. I'm going to put my last number in. 9. 4 is less than 9. That makes sense. Okay, friends, don't forget to roll down your glue before you put the cap on. Okay, this work, we're still comparing numbers, but they put the sign in for us. We had to fill in the empty space so that this made sense. 4 is greater than 3. 5 is less than 6. Practice reading your number sentences and don't forget to put your envelope or your work in your envelope for me to check. Nice job comparing numbers today, friends. See you later. Bye.